The price of a gallon of gas, regular, $4.27. That's the national average. That's down 61 cents in a month. Patrick De Haan, GasBuddy guy, joins us now. Are we changing our driving habits because of $4 gas?
Well, we have been, Stuart. Well, really because of $5 gas. We have seen slight drop, 5 to 10% of what we'll call demand destruction because of those high prices. But we are seeing yesterday in government data demand numbers popping up a little bit. So Americans seem to be responding just a little bit to the fall in prices. You mentioned 16 states now under the $4 average. I'm sitting here waiting for New Mexico, which will be the 17th state any moment. But keep in mind, Stuart, prices have fallen. But if it wasn't for 2022, they'd still be at record levels right now.
So you don't think there's going to be... We do have a downtrend, obviously. And as you say, 16 states are below $4 a gallon for gas. But you don't see that trend continuing, do you? You think that's going to... The downtrend will slow down. That's what you're saying, I think.
That's primarily what I'm worried about, Stuart. We're seeing oil prices pop up a little bit most recently. Gasoline inventories last week plummeted, and that will likely put a floor under where we're going. I still don't know if we're going to get under $4, Stuart. I think we could pop back up. And keep in mind, if we see any major hurricanes, any shutdowns that are unexpected, we still could go up just as quickly as we're going down.
That is the fly in the ointment, isn't it? Hurricane season and problems with the refineries. If you have a problem with a hurricane or a problem with a refinery, probably gas prices start going back up again. Is that accurate?
Oh, absolutely, Stuart. Without a doubt. Inventories remain extremely tight, especially on diesel. Diesel prices are down close to 50 cents from the peak, but those diesel inventories would be the likely quickest to respond if there is any hurricane-related shutdown. Gasoline prices also now close to 80 cents lower than they were in their peak, but still, inventories globally and in the U.S., Stuart, are extremely tight, and any disruption will be magnified by the fact that we're still in the summer driving season.
All right, Patrick De Haan, GasBuddy guy. Thanks for joining us, Patrick. We'll see you again real soon.